Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, and welcome if you're new. I'm Josephine. So today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful bubu dress. You can rock it with a trouser or a skirt, and you can as well sew a sleeveless gown and wear it underneath it. So let's get into the video. So I'm using 4 yards of organdy material. On this piece of paper, I'm trying to explain to you how to fold it. This is the length, that's the 4 yard. You fold it into 2 like so. Then you also fold it into 2, that's into 4 like so. You first of all fold the 4 yards, which will give you 2 yards. Then you fold it to the other side like so. So I'm going to do it on my fabric and show us. So this is it after folding it. So you just take a tape and measure from that folded part. That will be your starting line, and that will be your shoulder line. So you just mark downward, take your measurement. So right now I'm going to be taking my neck width and my neck depth. So for my neck width I'm using 3.5, and for the neck depth I'm using 3 inches. So I'm going to connect it like so. This is for the front neckline, and for the back neckline I'm going to go down by 1.5 inch and connect it to that 3.5 too. Please make sure whatever fabric you're using is 60 inches by length, please. So right now, after marking my neckline, I'm going to cut the back neckline first. That's the 1.5. I'm going to cut it first because this is a cut together dress. You don't need any shoulder slope for this dress, just the length of your gown only. After you fold it, you just take the length of your gown and cut it. That is all. So right now I'm going to notch the center part so that I will know where to cut from the front. So I'll go ahead and open it. Make sure you know the front. Just watch the way I open it. So I'm going to mark that 3 inches so that it will be visible for me. Then I'll go ahead and cut it. So that is our front neckline. After cutting that, I'll go from the middle. I'll mark 6 inches downward. Then I'll cut straight to that 6 inch. I'm doing this because I want the front to have a slit. So this is it after cutting it. As you can see, this is our round neck, then the slit at the front. So right now I'm going to bring my facing. I just folded the fabric into 4 so that it will be thicker for me. So I'll place it underneath this fabric like so. Then I'll sew round the neck to that opening at the front. Then I'll bring it back for us to see. This is it after sewing. So I'm going to open it. So after cutting it round, I'll slash that front opening. I'm just notching to enable me to turn the facing. This is me turning the facing inward. After turning it, this will be the back. I'll turn it to the other side and give it a nice press. You can either use an hemming gum to gum it, or you just tack it. So after doing that, I'm going to use a bias and hem the edges of the dress, the four corners of the dress. Remember, we only cut the full length of our gown, so we are going to hem round the dress. Then I'll bring it back for us to see. So I'm just trying to show you what next I'm going to do on my fabric. Remember, we folded the length, then we also fold it into two to cut out our neckline, and we went ahead and opened it and cut out our front neckline with a slash. So right now you're going to open it. You're going to open it straight. At that our starting line, which is the shoulder line, you're going to start folding. Depend on how long you want the sleeve to be. I want mine to be short, so I'm going to show you. So you just fold it into two like so. I'm just trying to show you what I'm going to do on the fabric. After folding one side, you also go to the other side and also fold it. So this is my gown. I've hemmed the edges, the four corner. So I'm showing you. So right now I'm going to go ahead and fold just the way I showed you on that piece of paper. I want mine to be very short, so I'm going to fold it like so, close to the neck. Just watch the way I fold. So after folding, I'm going to use my pin to hold it down. And I'll do the same thing to the other side. After pinning it down, then you fold it back into two, like you want to wear it on your body or on a mannequin. This is me folding it into two, like so. You can see our dress is almost ready. So after folding it like this, you go to the lower parts, pick one edge of the back and cross it to one edge of the shoulder. That is, if you pick the right side of the back edge, then you cross it to the left side of the shoulder. If you pick from the left side of the back edge, then you cross it to the right side of the shoulder. So you place it underneath the fold, take it to your sewing machine and sew it. Then I'll show you guys on the mannequin what. So this is it on my mannequin. I've sewed it and I used trimming on it. I just pinned the trimming. I've not yet sewed it, so it's looking very beautiful, and our bubu is ready. This is how simple and easy. Thank you guys for watching up to this part. I really appreciate you. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.